Thank you for watching your 1 minute review, and yes, looking at some YAMI jewelry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying the content. This is a 1 minute quick review on this jewelry. You can see here this is a great Father's Day gift or anytime, made out of titanium steel. Comes in 2 different colors, comes in a great packaging. As you can see here, beautiful presentation. This is the black one. You can see how it looks here. It's a Cuban link, nice quality. This is the black with a nice big safety clasp right there, as you can see. So I got 2 different ones that came in the mail, the black and also a blue one. This is to give you a size dimension, 13 millimeters by approximately, you can see there exactly, and about 5 millimeters thick. That's the size of the bracelet. So it's a nice chunky bracelet. It comes in a nice presentation. It's a great gift. You can see here it's nice and chunky. You can see how it fits on my wrist. And I actually love the blue and I like the black. The 2 different colors are fantastic. I definitely think these are really kind of cool. I definitely like them. There'll be a link down in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. If you're enjoying my 1 minute reviews, I appreciate the feedback. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I'll see you at the next 1 minute review.